What's up, guys? Welcome back to So Many Parks, So Little Time, or as I like to call it, Some Pies Later. So today we are at Cave of the Winds, outside of Colorado Springs, Colorado, and we are here to ride Terror-Dactyl, an insane Stan Checketts creation that drops you off the face of a cliff. You swing down into this canyon at 100 miles per hour, facing the ground. It is just utter insanity. So to ride this ride, we have to sort of build our way up to it. So first, we are making a trip to the North Pole. That's right, the North Pole. You laugh, but there is a very special coaster credit here. A kiddie coaster that you can't stop laughing. So yeah, before we do Terror-Dactyl, we are at the North Pole in Cascade, Colorado. Now, obviously, this is no Holiday World. This is a park that's mostly for families, locals, children. But yeah, they do have one claim to fame in that they have the highest elevation roller coaster in the United States. Now, I know what you're thinking. What about Cliffhanger at Glenwood Caverns? Well, check the elevations because, believe it or not, the candy cane coaster here is actually higher than the one at Glenwood Caverns. So yeah, we're going to go in today, we're going to pay full price, and we're going to ride a kiddie coaster. What did I tell you about laughing? Stop that. Wow, so first impressions, this is actually quite a unique park. It's definitely not some flat piece of land with flat rides plopped down. They're just built into the terrain, and this high elevation and the mountainous area really lends itself well to a park like this. All right, let's go find this kiddie coaster. And yes, we are totally the only group in here without kids. Oh, there's a open fire pit over there. What's that?
How else would you roast chestnuts?
Oh yeah. Target acquired. I repeat, target acquired. There is a kiddie coaster through those trees there. So if you want to visit this park, be prepared for lots and lots of up and downs. And there it is, the highest elevation roller coaster in the United States. Best coaster ever! No, but really, it was a fun little kiddie coaster, but that's all it is. But yeah, we got it. The highest roller coaster in the United States. So, candy cane coaster, 7,628 feet. Cliffhanger at Glenwood Caverns is closer to like 7,100, so yeah, this one's a top.
Feet, arms, and legs inside the train, and stay seated throughout the journey. Upper end of Santa's parking lot. If you ever go, be sure to take your jacket because it's likely to be 40 degrees cooler up there than down. Souvenir items for the folks back home are available at the big souvenir shop next to the...
that was the North Pole, and that was a lot of fun. I do have a soft spot for Christmas, and this just tapped into my childhood. Christmas is a very nostalgic holiday, so of course it's a lot of fun. But yeah, if you like Christmas, or if you have kids who like Christmas, or if you just want to stop at the North Pole, I absolutely recommend this stop. Now, this was great and all, but let's get back to what we came here for. And we're back at Cave of the Winds, where I just realized, oh my goodness, that is a long way down. That is a giant drop right there. Needless to say, I am quite nervous about this already. Tickets bought, I got my time slot, but okay, my heart's pounding already, so let's see how I'm doing in just a little bit. That is such a beautiful view. Though I think beauty will be the last thing on my mind when I'm strapped to that chair. It's a long way down, but fastest way to get there is down. Regardless of the terror here, this whole place is just drop dead gorgeous. And then there are also cave tours, which we're not doing today, unfortunately, but I've heard great things about them, and cave tours are always fun. They have them at Glenwood Caverns. So yeah, this is just a very unique stop, and I'm really happy to be here. Okay, my waiver's been signed, my chariot awaits, so guess I'll see you guys up there. Wow, that was a thing. So honestly, the sitting there on the platform where they are right now, that was probably the worst part. But once it dropped, that was just straight out pure fun. It's a great drop, and then the view just, you can't beat it. This is a perfect location. I can't believe there aren't more of these out there. Special shout out to the ride crew. They were awesome. So yeah, Cave of the Wind, Stan Checketts, and Terror-Dactyl. You're all evil geniuses, and I love you. So that was Terror-Dactyl and Cave of the Winds, and this is an awesome place. The setting is just beautiful. The drive up here is one of the most gorgeous ones up a mountain. And then, of course, there are the cave tours and Terror-Dactyl. I hope to be back to experience them both, especially Terror-Dactyl again. Yeah, maybe we'll get Jackie on next time. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Kevin and Jackie, for keeping me company and giving me emotional support in what is likely to be years of trauma. But yeah, we're off to get margaritas now. I'll see you guys in the next video. We'll see where we are. Take care.